Hello and welcome to this channel where I talk about trading in the crypto market. I am going to show you guys how I enter these trades, what I look for before entering the trades, and most importantly, some of the rules that I never break. Welcome back to today's video. So today we are going to be talking about daily price update on BTC and specific awkward movements so that we know whether or not we should stay out of them, or they can actually turn out to be very beneficial. It's just, I guess, POV and how you want to look at it. Like look at this move right here. After trading in a range, BTC decides to to buy a lot. What's that? That's a big move. Wow, that's almost like what, 4 or 5%. Then you come down all the way, then you come back up and you're trading in a range again. So what does that mean? What should you do here exactly? So with that, let's just continue by checking out. And by the way, if you guys did enter this trade, you are up, and I did enter that one, so I made good gains on that specific one. That was a big one to 1.5. It was a big stop loss, risky but paid off. Anyway, so with this one, price came down, came up, did not break, broke down. Okay, so when price broke down, it came back in. And so over here, when okay, so this one should be, but we can just take the next height actually, in my opinions. Let's just do this one so that we're guaranteed. So this was when price broke down, price came up, bounced down. Yeah, and then we can actually, we can just take this one to next, but that's not gonna work because it's kind of an awkward situation like I mentioned a while ago. So where do we move from here? That is a good question. So the problem is there are zones here, supply zones. The only thing is, there is no specific box on this zone. So how do we can actually just go from the bottom here, and if you can see, broke BOS, next one. Definitely, yeah, this one is out of the question. Yeah, so that's definitely something to stay out of. This is gonna be our next box, and price broke. Yeah, so definitely stay out of this one. But it looks like, I mean, from my wildest of educated guesses, it is in a selling position right now. We're definitely looking at it in that some sort of structure. Maybe we can be looking at some of the demand, maybe up to here, or yeah, that's definitely the zone, but that's a very big one. So you can look at sniped in lower time frames, which I am not going to be doing now. So what I want to talk about is actually the awkward situation sometimes that price can put you in. And with that, personally, I would say stay out of it, because if it has anything that contradicts your bias or your system of trading, you are definitely to stay out of it, because it is not a healthy entrance point. So the problem with that is, if you see, look at this specific zone here created so much problem for us because it created double BOS, and on top of that, there is no possible way to connect any box from the previous to this specific one. So we just jumped ship, which is not the right thing to do. And 15 minutes most of the time always has a box to confirm with. So this proves how you guys should really just stay out of anything that has to do with awkward situations, because my god, honestly, this specific one, do not enter at all, because we're still trying to confirm if that's the starting box that we should be focusing on, because we can also focus on the other side down here. To somewhere about this is a possibility, but it looks just so weird to do it from there, which is why I picked this one. but stay out of this. So this is just going to be a setup confirmation for our next trade to see if this box actually does work out. If it doesn't, then good for us because we played it safe. Even if it does, do not take it in the wrong way because it's just a confirmation. Then after this, the next trade will be even more guaranteed. So with that being said, let's just move on to Ethereum to see how Ethereum has been doing. So Ethereum definitely did have a selling point, but it sold a lot earlier than I thought it would. And yeah, so it did have that awkward move, and there is no chance to fix a box here, but we can just go with bottom low here. Let's see how this works. So this looked like price broke, came in all the way and broke out. So this is, yeah, so I see it. So now this is gonna be our next box. Price broke, came back in, tested, broke out. So this is gonna be our next box right here. This is our next box. This till this. So price broke, BOS. So next, this is our next box. That's still looking at a selling point. Right there. Yeah, so this is clear selling point. If you guys would like to enter, it's about to enter that specific position. I'm slightly more confident in this one only because we had a little bit more backup, but I am gonna be staying out of this, and of course you guys must be doing whatever the hell you feel is right. Look at your system. If this falls right into your system, then definitely enter. Otherwise, personally, just play it safe, avoid risk, unnecessary risk. Risk is always beneficial, but unnecessary risk is just outright not the right thing to do. And yeah, this is going to be a quick video because I am actually not happy with how the charts are looking today, and I hope you guys did enjoy. I know it was not much today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.